Hi everyone, it's Rivka, and today I have a very quick September monthly spread, and the whole spread is based around those stickers that you just saw. And this spread I'm doing very differently. Usually I use a lot of washi, but this time it just didn't feel necessary. So I'm just using this key washi, and I did get this from Recollections. It was in a 2-pack. It had this one and then a similar colored one that just had like handwriting on it. So I did decide to white out the colors up at the top. I wasn't sure if I was going to or not, which is why I waited until I had some of the washi down, even though normally I do it at the beginning. But I wasn't sure if I was going to or not, and then I did decide that I didn't want that color with this spread. And I do want to just make note, I know I keep saying this, but in case you haven't seen any of my other videos or anything like that, I know that this is very delayed, but I basically wasn't planning in this planner for a while. I was in other planners, but not in this one, which I like to keep neater, and I just didn't have the time over the summer when my stepson was home like the entire time to get any of this done. So I decided to film them all, as I was catching up, and I'm slowly editing and recording the voiceovers, obviously, and I'm going to be getting them up to you guys as soon as possible. There are a lot, because I think it's like 2 or 3 months worth that I have to catch up on, but I am going to be posting 3 videos a week. Sometimes I'll be even adding in bonus videos, and I'm going to try to get caught up, and yeah, but I did decide that the current videos will go up on Mondays for the week. That way you can see the current week, and you don't have to wait until I've got all of these, I'm going to say the catch-up ones, done first. So yeah, so back to what I'm using for a moment. Currently putting down these colorful stickers, and it just adds a little more life to the actual month boxes, so that's why I'd like to do that. And I do have these stickers. They're from Recollections, and it's just the bottom part of the page, because I did cut off the top because I had used it. I had gotten these like 2 or 3 years ago, and the top was just basically like mini calendars spreads. Yeah, so that's about it for those, and the colors did kind of go with the spread, and the colors are all a little off, but I kind of liked that, because since none of it totally 100% matched, the whole thing matched, at least that's what I thought. So yeah, so I am going through and putting those down, and it's a little tedious, but I find putting stickers down like this really relaxing, so it's not a problem for me, and then I just speed it up for you guys so it doesn't take so long. So yeah, that's what I'm doing, and I am using my Dollar Tree tweezers for that, just because it's easier to line it up when you don't have to see around your fingers. So yeah, and then I'm going to go back and I'm going to use those stickers from that kit, and that kit, well, it wasn't a kit, it was a sticker sheet that I had bought, I think 2 years ago now, off of Etsy, and it was just from Love Temp Design. So yeah, I don't know if she's still up or any of that. I will take a peek on Etsy if I can, and if so, I'll link her down below, because I really did like her stickers. I don't have the budget for Etsy right now, so I'm just using what I had from the past. And if you've seen any of my other monthly videos, you know I like to keep track of flag flying days. There are only certain days that you're supposed to fly the flag if you're, a private citizen or whatever, and my fiance does like to do that. So I mark them down, and if the calendar doesn't already say what the day is, I like to put it down like you just saw. And for that one that I just put down the heart sticker for Labor Day, it already said it on the planner, so I didn't need to write it. I did run out of my normal flag stickers that I normally use. I actually only had 2 left, and I knew I was going to need more than that for this spread, so I left those for a spread where I only needed 2. So you'll see them in an upcoming month, but for the most part, I don't have them anymore, so these ones were the closest that I had, and they were fun, so I thought it was appropriate. And then I'm just going to go through the entire month and put down these deco stickers. And they're just fun. They're fall colors, which September's, I know, isn't technically fall yet. I think it starts like September 22nd, but it just kind of, it says fall to me. So I started to do fall-esque type things, kind of. And these stickers, they're just like fun cameras and scarves and different cloud colors and stuff like that, trunks, and I just really like them. This color scheme isn't totally me, but it's fun, it's pretty, and yeah, I definitely enjoyed it, and it's just fun putting down stickers and deciding where they go and all of that, so that's what I'm doing here. And then that's pretty much it for this month. It's a very simple one, as I said, and short and to the point. So I hope you guys did enjoy it. If you do enjoy these videos, I would really greatly appreciate a thumbs up, and I would love for you to subscribe for more of these, both the catch-ups and the on-time videos, and I do have some reviews and DIYs coming out shortly as well. I'm going to throw those into the mix just so that you don't have to wait until all of the catch-ups are done. So yeah, that's it for today. I hope to see you next time, and have a great one. Bye.